Welcome back to Odyssey Quest. Francisco's Foundation Robotics Labs has unveiled a bold step into the future with the announcement of its latest humanoid robot, Phantom MK1. Designed to bridge the gap between human and machine interaction, this advanced creation boasts an array of sensors and actuators that allow it to mimic human movements and perform complex tasks in real-world environments. From healthcare to manufacturing, Phantom MK1 promises to revolutionize industries by offering a more seamless and intelligent robotic workforce. Meanwhile, in the quest to enhance AI training, Nvidia and Carnegie Mellon University have joined forces to introduce ASAP, a groundbreaking platform designed to close the gap between simulated training and real-world performance. By creating sophisticated, realistic training environments, ASAP enables AI systems to learn and adapt to unpredictable challenges, making robots and AI agents safer, more responsive, and highly efficient in their roles. But AI training isn't stopping there. Researchers have unveiled Instinct, a revolutionary system that teaches robots fundamental movements such as sitting up, rolling over, and stabilizing themselves with precision. Combining reinforcement learning and real-world feedback, Instinct enhances the agility and adaptability of humanoid robots, allowing them to navigate complex environments autonomously. This breakthrough sets the foundation for more sophisticated robotic applications, bringing us closer to robots that move and react as naturally as humans. At the same time, the race to develop advanced AI research agents is heating up. OpenAI and Google Gemini are pushing the boundaries of artificial intelligence with cutting-edge neural architectures and training methodologies. Their deep research into agentic AI capable of making high-level decisions and solving complex problems, could redefine our relationship with machines, paving the way for a future where AI collaboration feels as natural as working with a human counterpart. The combined efforts of Foundation Robotics, Nvidia, Carnegie Mellon, OpenAI, and Google Gemini paint an exhilarating picture of the future. With Phantom MK1, humanoid robots are reaching new levels of realism and capability. Meanwhile, ASAP and Instinct are refining AI training, ensuring robots can adapt and thrive in real-world scenarios. As AI titans battle for supremacy, we stand on the brink of a new era, one where the fusion of technology and human ingenuity transforms every aspect of our lives. What do you think? Are we ready for a world where robots and AI work alongside us seamlessly? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into the future of AI and robotics. See you in the next Odyssey Quest.